In this video, we are going to learn about MCI, Medical Council of India, Screening Test and Eligibility Certificate for Foreign Medical Graduates. Eligibility Certificate. All students going abroad to study MBBS are required to obtain the eligibility certificate from MCI before commencing their studies. Only students with an eligibility certificate can appear in the MCI screening test required to practice in India. The Medical Council of India (MCI) has made it mandatory that all Indian students who are desirous of seeking admission in any foreign medical institution shall be required to obtain an eligibility certificate from the MCI under the Eligibility Certificate Regulations 2002 before they are admitted in any foreign medical institution, whether recognized under Section 12 or under Section 13 of the Indian Medical Council Act, 1956. This is mandatory should the student intend to return to India upon the successful completion of his or her MBBS program and commence medical practice in India. MCI Screening Test. The Medical Council of India stipulates that all students studying MBBS program from medical colleges outside India and wanting to practice in India after completion of their program need to appear for a screening test. The screening test is an examination conducted by the Medical Council of India. It is an eligibility test conducted by the Medical Council of India for registration of successful candidates who pass the screening test. The test consists of 3 papers of multiple-choice questions in pre-clinical, paraclinical and clinical medicine and its allied subjects including obstetrics and gynecology. The screening test is conducted in English. The test duration for each paper will be of 3 hours. Students have to obtain 50% marks in each paper separately in order to pass the eligibility test. The screening test is conducted by the National Board of Education, NBE, New Delhi. This exam is conducted twice a year, last Saturday or Sunday of September and last Saturday or Sunday of March each year. I hope you understood the importance of the requirement of eligibility certificate and MCI screening test for foreign medical graduates. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching it.